Hi Brian, just let you see your Robyn all up and running. It's been a bit of a ball ache, but we got there in the end. I took all the stupid mods because they were causing no end of drama with dry joints and what have you. Switches and crap everywhere, it's just all crap. So I've removed all that, put it all back as standard, okay. I've replaced the bulbs in here and the meters. I've replaced the LEDs in there. Your old LEDs, flipping, they were shot, very weak, so now you get nice TX RX lights. As you can see, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So plenty of power there. AM to feedback. Where's that coming from? It's one of my radios. Never mind. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's getting picked up on the 847. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the clarifier will change TX and RX frequency, this one. There you go. As you show, we're dead on frequency there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It'll change slightly with temperature because it is crystal controlled. As you can see, there's your offset crystals and that in there. VCO stage. And as you hear, I haven't moved it and it's slightly, it just needs that little one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So all transmitting and receiving just fine. Not sure if there's anything on at the moment. Typical mid-band, but anyway, nobody about at the moment, but not worry. Switches all work, clarifier, whatever, no, calibrate, sorry, yeah. So you push that in, calibrate. When you calibrate up, as you can see that there, just pumping it up, there we go. SWR is a wee bit high in this one. It's an old aerial I'm using, so if I put it on a dummy load, yeah, there we go, switch it over to a dummy load. There's a difference here on a dummy load. Alright, so it's a calibrate, just about the end. SWR on a dummy load. Alright, you can see that better there. That's you. Just got to put the case back on it and send it back to you. Cleaned all the switches, you had a bit of a missing segment on the number 2. That was actually just a dirty switch in the channel selector. That's all been cleaned. Everything's been done. Everything that's been done, everything can be done. Alright, so she's back up and running for you. That's it. Cheers for now. Take care.